In this video, let's see how to create a ringless campaign. Ringless voicemail delivers messages straight to voicemail, without ringing the phone. It's personal, non-intrusive, and lets people listen when it's convenient. Now, let's see how to create ringless campaign. In the navigation bar, click on Voice Outreach. In the Voice Outreach section, click on Create Ringless Voicemail. Enter the campaign name. Select a callback number. Select a voice to send in the campaign. You can add new voices from Voice section in the menu if wanted. Select a recipient. Click the Continue button. You can schedule the campaign for later by clicking the Schedule for Later button. To send the campaign now, click the Start Campaign button. Click View All Campaigns to see the list of campaigns. Click the View button next to the desired campaign to view the details. Now, you can see the details of the campaign. Thank you for your time.